Billy D, Mr. Melvin, brought me your 24 pill, your key down box. It is an X-Force. And we're having some issues. We got a burnt peel on the inside. We replaced that nice shiny new peel with a red dot. This resistor had came off, so I went ahead and wrapped it and then soldered it. Same thing I did here. Your input, fixed all your input. Your output, retuned it. She is working. My only issue that I have right now is my 800 amp power supply is down, so I'm working off a 200 amp. Of course, you know, I'm gonna starve it, and I'm going to drive it with a 1x4 PP100. See if we can get down in there. Let's see if I'm focused in there. Well, you can clearly see, there you go, PP100 box, and you hear the fan. So let's go up here to the scale and show what we're going to be putting into it. There's your reflect to the radio. I was using the Galaxy 99. There's a reflect. Yeah, that's the reflect coming off of the 1x4. Alright, 5,000 watt bird slug in PEP. Oh yeah, 1100 PEP. Alright, and that's the box we're going to be driving the 24 pill with. And like I said, I'm going to be starving it. But let me tell you, this cotton picker is loud. I had to disconnect the fans on it because she is so loud you probably wouldn't be able to hear me. So let's go up here, 5,000 watt scale on PEP. That's 3,000. Let's go to bird. So we should be right here around 1,000 bird because I'm starving it so bad. Oh yeah. I didn't have that all the way up, my bad. Oh yeah. 900 bird because I'm starving it so much with power. But it is keying up now. Look at the reflect with it. Audio. It's a 5 watt slug. Did you see that? Audio. Less than a half of a watt. Audio. That TinMan, man. Take time and pride in your work, and it works every single time. TinMan amps. And by the way, because of Mr. Melvin, will soon be a competition-based radio shop. Because we are going to be making some comp amps, and he's going to be carrying them to the key downs. So we'll soon see TinMan amps out there on the market, hitting a little bit closer, hitting a little bit harder. Anything I can do for you guys, let me know. TinMan amps. Bye.